Good day, class. Today we're going to discuss on how to write an exponential form to logarithmic form and vice versa. Now, in this one, you need to understand, class, that in writing an exponential form to logarithmic form, meron tayong kailangang tandaan. Okay, so this one. So we have an exponential form to this one. Yan. So we have b raised to the c is equal to a. Gagawin natin tong logarithmic form. Take note, class. Ito yung kailangan yung maging familiar kayo, okay? Yung position ng bawat given. So in this one, for example, we have a b raised to the c is equal to a. B raised to the c is equal to a. So it will become a logarithm of a with the base b is equal to c. So paano yung gagawin? Now, in this part, yung b natin, which is ito, this will be the base. Yan. Yung b natin, this will be the base. And then yung c, this is the exponent or the power. It is also known as power. Then, yung a natin, this is the given. Now, i-change natin itong exponential form into logarithmic. So, as you can see, class, kita naman natin na yung base natin in this logarithm is still the base of logarithm. Kasi paano nga ba ito basahin? We have a logarithm of a with the base b is equal to c. Again, logarithm of a with the base b is equal to c. So yung base natin dito, retain as base pa rin. Then, yung exponent natin, which is yung letter c, retain as power pa rin dito sa logarithm. And then the given is as is na given. Yun. Okay? So yun po yung kailangan nating tandaan, yung positioning ng bawat given in this one, from exponential to logarithmic form. So in this one, let's have this example. For example, this is the exponential form. 16 raised to x is equal to 64. 16 raised to x is equal to 64. Yung 16 natin, this is the base. This is the exponent and logarithm, ay, given. Okay, this is the given. So we have a logarithm of 64 with the base of 16 is equal to x. Ganyan po natin yon ilalagay. Okay? Logarithm of 64 with the base of 16 is equal to x. Final answer. So yun po yun. Next, and this one, we have 42 is equal to 3 raised to x. 42 is equal to 3 raised to x. This is the same as 3 raised to the x is equal to 42. Kung mapapansin nyo, almost the same lang naman, di ba? So ano lang pinagkaiba? Nakabaliktad lang, but the same. Now, in this case, okay, change it into logarithm. It will become logarithm of 42, okay? Kasi this is the given, tama? Logarithm of 42 with the base 3, ang base natin is 3, is equal to the x. That is the final answer. Yes, class. That is the final answer. Kasi dito, hindi nyo naman kailangan mag-compute. You just need to rewrite the exponential to logarithmic. Are we clear? Okay, very good. Next, in this one, 3 raised to 2x is equal to 243. Change it into logarithm. We have a logarithm of 243 with the base of 3 is equal to 2x. Final answer. Very good. Ayun, nakakasunod na. Next, how about this one? Okay, we have logarithm of 27 with the base of 54 is equal to 2x minus 1. Very good. That is correct. Okay? Clear. Very good. Next, in this one, we have a logarithm of 1 over 25 with the base 5 is equal to negative x. Anong mapapansin nyo? Laging nasa baba yung base natin. ang base naman talaga ng logarithm is nasa baba. So, kailangan mas mababa 'to, then align or magkapantay yung logarithm at 1/25. Are we clear? Okay, very good. Next, how about this one? We have letter E. E raised to -2 is equal to the x minus 6. Yung E natin dito, okay, ito na. Previously, we have a natural logarithm. Ayan. So, natandaan pa yung natural logarithm? When we say natural logarithm, sa natural logarithm natin, ang given natin dyan is we have in x. Which is yung in x, kapag nakita niyo yan sa given, that is a natural logarithm, ang base dyan is automatically e. Okay? The base is automatically e. That is the natural logarithm. While we have common logarithm, ayan, sa common logarithm, if given kayo ng logarithm of x, what would be the base? 10. Tama? Okay. So basically, kapag logarithm of x, ang given base natin is 10. Yan. So ni-recall lang natin yung previous lesson natin. As you remember, dun sa laws and properties of logarithm, we have a two basic concept of logarithm, and those are natural logarithm at common logarithm. Once again, kapag natural logarithm, we have an in x, which is the base is e. While on the other hand, kapag common logarithm, we have the logarithm of x with the base 10. Kapag hindi naka-include ang base natin sa part na to, initially, the base is 10. Are we clear? So, yun na po. Now, balik tayo rito. We have an e raised to -2 is equal to quantity of x minus 6. In that case, since ito ay natural logarithm, again, we will change it like this. So, it will become in and then x. Again, class, when we say x, this is the given. In of x minus 6 is equal to -2. And that is the final answer. That is how we rewrite the exponential form into logarithmic form. Are we clear? Okay, so ganun po. Now, since okay na tayo sa exponential to logarithmic, yun lang yung lagi niyong tatandaan ha, yung positioning nito. The base, the given, the exponent, and this one. Okay? Now, since okay na tayo sa exponential to logarithmic, let's proceed to logarithmic to exponential. Now, in logarithmic to exponential, i-reverse lang natin. So, from logarithmic, gagawin naman natin tong exponential. Again, as you can see, yung base natin dito retain as base pa rin. Right? Then yung given natin dito retain as given pa rin dito sa exponential. Then yung exponent natin or the power retain as power pa din. So, wala namang nabago sa positioning. Ang gagawin lang talaga, you just need to change it from the exponential naman. Clear? Kung kanina, exponential to logarithm, ngayon, logarithm to exponential. Are we clear? Okay. Now, let's have this one. Logarithm of x, quantity of x minus 3, with the base 2 is equal to 2. Okay. Ngayon, what is the base? Ang base natin is ito, kita naman, 2. What is the exponent? Ayun, 2 is equal to x, quantity of x minus 3. Final answer. Yun. 2 raised to 2 is equal to the x, quantity of x minus 3. Final answer. Next, how about this one? Logarithm of x plus 25 is equal to 2. As you can see, wala tayong given na base. Kung wala tayong given na base, ano yung usually na base dyan? 10. Very good. Diyan papasok yung common logarithm. Again, sa common logarithm, ang short notation ay logarithm of x. If that is a logarithm of x, the base will be 10. Okay? So, yun na po. So, the base will be 10. So, therefore, sa exponential, we have a 10, then power squared is equal to quantity of x plus 25. Final answer. So, yun na po. 10 squared is equal to quantity of x plus 25. That is the final answer. Clear? Okay, very good. Next, eto na. In x plus 3 is equal to negative 6. Again, this is a logarithm. So if you want to change it into exponential, yung in natin magiging letter E as the base nito. It will become E as base. And then, write it down. Exponent is equal to a given x plus 3. Final answer. Take note, kung naka-parenthesis ang given, lagyan nyo rin ng parenthesis, of course, ito, kapag change nyo na into exponential. Are we clear? Ayun. Next, this one, logarithm of x with the base of 5 is equal to 6. Again, the base is 5, so we have 5 raised to the 6 is equal to x. Final answer. Nakakasunod po ba? Yun, very good. If you have any other question, you may ask, okay? Yun. Now, in this one, how about this one? Logarithm of 8 with the base of 2x is equal to 2. Ayun. Ang base natin is 2x. So therefore, we have the quantity of 2x squared is equal to 8. Take note, kung yung base nyo ay naka-parenthesis na 2x, of course, retain the parenthesis kasi may squared pa tayo na exponent. Kasi ang ibig sabihin niyan, yung squared natin, i-distribute dito sa 2 at saka sa x. So, kailangan talaga, essential talaga na lagyan natin ng parenthesis tapos squared itong given. Kasi kung wala, 2x squared, ganyan yun. So, sa x lang malalagay yung squared natin. So, iba yung ibig sabihin nun. Okay? Unlike ito. Clear? Okay. So, again, kapag may parenthesis yung given, retain the parenthesis. So, we have 2x quantity squared is equal to 8. Final answer. Now, last example in this one, we have the in 3x squared is equal to 14. In 3x squared is equal to 14. Anong gagawin dyan? Okay, so change it into exponential. We have the e raised to 14 is equal to 3x squared. Very good. That is the final answer. Okay? So yun na po, yung gagawin ninyo. Wala kayong i-compute, wala kayong isosolve. You just need to rewrite the logarithmic to exponential and exponential to logarithmic. You just need to be familiar dun sa positioning ng bawat given. Are we clear? Yan. Kapag malinaw na sa inyo to, natandaan nyo na kung paano yun i-rewrite, madali na lang sa inyong gawin. Okay? And if you have any other questions or clarification, pwede naman kayong mag-comment. Okay? So, that's all. So, thank you so much.